Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today we're going back in history to 1896. We're going back to the origin of the daiquiri, the classic daiquiri. Not that grown-up slush you get at a drive-thru here in South Louisiana. Even though those are good, those aren't really daiquiris. I call them grown-up slushies because they're just not a daiquiri. So we kind of talk about what a daiquiri is. Daiquiri is pretty simple. It's 3 ingredients: rum, lime juice, and sugar. Well, can't do sugar, so let's call it allulose. This goes back to 1896 with an American engineer named Jennings Cox. He ended up in Cuba working in the iron mines right outside of a little town called Daiquiri, Cuba. So the whole story behind this goes, Jennings was having a cocktail party one day and ran out of gin. What the hell you doing drinking gin in Cuba? I don't know. So in place of gin, it's Cuba, so there's shit tons of rum. So he replaced his recipe for his punch with rum, and it was a big smash. And now let's be honest. Rum, lime juice, sugar, he didn't invent it. But from what it looks like, from the history, a lot of people say is he's the first person to write it down. So he's claiming the recipe of the daiquiri is his. But honestly, rum, lime juice, sugar, and water goes back to the 1700s with the British Navy and grog. I've talked about it in my other videos, the Navy grog, where the British Navy were some pretty cool guys. They gave out rum until the 1970s, I believe. So every sailor got a ration of rum every day. I'd love to be a sailor back in those days. But back in the 1700s, scurvy was a big deal. And some doctors found out a little vitamin C fixed that right up. No more scurvy. So they ended up giving some lime juice to the rum and to help cure the scurvy. And then they're like, let's sweeten it up a little bit. So they put a little sugar in it, a little water in it, bam, Navy grog. And then again in the 1887, there's a cocktail called the tea punch, which was sugar, lime juice, and rum. So the concept of rum, lime juice, and sugar really isn't new at this point in 1896, because Cuba, rum out the wazoo, and shit tons of lime, and sugar cane as far as the eyes can see. Of course, someone has put that together before Jennings Cox, but he was the first person to claim it in writing. So, believe what you want to believe. All I'm going to say, in my opinion, it is the best cocktail on the planet. Now, there's a lot of different ratios you can go with this. Some is a 2-1-1 ratio, basic sour. With a really nice rum, you might want to go 2, 3/4, 3/4 to let that rum really shine. And then you can go 2, half. There's all kinds of different ratios you can see this with. I think the original recipe was 2 ounces of rum with some lime juice and some sugar, no exact amounts. But nonetheless, I've used 2-1-1 ratios with a standard rum. But like I said, if you have a really nice rum and you really want that rum to stand out, drop your sweetener down, drop your lime juice down just a smidge, and do a 2 ounce of spirit, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup with allulose, of course, and 3/4 ounce of your lime juice. So enough jibber jabber, let's start making a cocktail. So what you're gonna need is in your shakers. You're gonna do, like I said, 2 ounces of rum. I'm gonna be using Black Pearl rum out of New Orleans. So then we're gonna go, again, beautiful rum. I'm gonna let the rum sing. So we're gonna dial down the other 2 ingredients. So we're gonna do with 3/4 ounce of simple syrup and 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Now you could drop your simple syrup down to a 1/2 ounce and keep your lime juice at 3/4 ounce if you like a little more tart type sour drink. But I find that balancing the lime juice and the simple syrup works really well for me. Play with it, make it your own. Let's call it what it is. I'm not the creator of this cocktail. I'm not the creator of these ratios. I'm just using allulose instead of sugar. So I'm gonna add a little bit of ice in my other shaker. Put this all together. Give it a good shake. All right. Now you take yourself a chilled cocktail glass, and we're gonna double strain this. You've heard me mention it before. Double straining is a Hawthorne strainer and a fine mesh strainer. The fine mesh strainer is designed to keep any fruit bits out if you've muddled it, or any ice chips to just have a nice, clean cocktail. So we'll Hawthorne strain and fine mesh to keep any of those ice chips out. All right, let's put all that aside. Garnish. Now you could do a lime wedge, a lime wheel, but I think there's enough lime juice in it. I don't want to add any more. So what I'm going to do instead is just for a little bit of the essence. So we do a little bit of a lime twist. Twist it up kind of tight, pinch it over the cocktail, get some of the oils out of the skin, and rub that along the rims. Make sure you rub the skin side, not the pith. You get some of those lime oils on it. And just drop that right over the side. And there you have the classic daiquiri. I really don't need to taste it. This is my favorite cocktail on the planet. Yes, on the planet Earth. So, but I'm gonna drink it anyway. Definitely. If you have a rum that really stands out with some nice bold flavors, like 7.3 has, and it is a white rum, but the notes on it, the vanilla notes on it are really strong. The alcohol's kind of toned down a little bit, the ethanol I should say. There's not a big strong ethanol burn on it. The vanilla notes come out really nice. Some of the molasses notes come out really nice. So let those play. I know they say 2-1, you hear me say it too. 2-1-1, 2-1-1, balanced cocktail. But yeah, when you got a really nice spirit like 7.3's Black Pearl Rum, man, let it shine. Drop your sweetener down, drop your lime juice down, let the spirit sing. All right, guys, and if y'all want to check out some of my other videos, you can check out right here. This is my frozen summer cocktail playlist, or you can check right here if you've not seen some of my tiki videos. And don't forget, hey, click subscribe. Yeah, click subscribe right there. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. I got 8 videos planned tonight. I'm gonna have a wonderful day. See y'all later.